one country has taken the dramatic step of banning all recreational drone flight. Today, we're going to look at who they are and why they did it. Also, stay tuned because later on I will discuss why this probably would not happen in places like the US and UK. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. As many of you will know, Dubai within the United Arab Emirates is often seen by many as something of a financial powerhouse, but also something of a Westerner's playground. Well, including the other 6 emirates which make up the UAE, it has taken the dramatic step of banning all recreational drone flights, and actually including operators of light electric sports aircraft as well. As of Saturday the 22nd of January 2022, drone hobbyists and other operators of light electrical sports aircraft will face legal liabilities if caught flying the objects, reports the Interior Ministry. They added that it may grant exemptions to businesses seeking to film. Now, this is a drone-focused channel, so we're not going to delve too heavily into the region's issues, but as many of you will know, the Houthis have been attacking installations and targets of the Saudi-led military coalition in the region, using weapons such as bomb-laden drones and cruise and ballistic missiles, according to the UAE. A rare drone and missile attack on the capital of Abu Dhabi blew up several fuel tankers and killed 3 people last week. So why does this mean they want to ban recreational and heavily restrict commercial drone flight in the country? Let's take a look. Essentially, there are 2 clear factors here. Firstly, noise. And I don't mean the low levels of noise the drones make themselves, but the amount of unmanned air traffic happening in the airspace. If you ban all recreational flights, then those drones that are in the air are there either with permission, which is easy to check for, or they are something authorities need to look into urgently. Secondly, those looking to carry out these attacks are using the larger recreational drones in some of their attacks. So it wouldn't be a simple case of identifying the drone as recreational, because in some cases these are being used. Now, we know that banning something doesn't stop that thing happening. You could outlaw cars traveling above a certain speed, and guess what? People still speed. Criminals and worse are always going to take risks if they feel the rewards are big enough. So this isn't an attempt to stop attackers from flying, but more identifying the issue much more quickly and clearly. If you only have a handful of drones in the air, it is easy to identify the bad actors quickly. The UAE has always had pretty restrictive drone rules, including banning their use in residential areas, with the use of jamming technology frequently in use by authorities. You might feel that this all feels a little removed from the use of drones in countries like the UK and US, and frankly, you would be right. We're not side by side geographically with active enemies seeking to physically attack our nations, and with tight controls and hard work from security agencies, the type of attack which triggered this most recent reaction to ban all recreational drone flight is extremely rare. In fact, as the Associated Press reports, it is very rare with that type of prosumer drone anywhere in the world. So in my opinion, this should be seen as something more of a regional action under very specific conditions and probably acting on intelligence. If you want to hear about another recent regulatory update, check out this video recently where I discuss a very interesting 2022 update to remote ID for US flyers from the FAA. Sean out.